Buccaneers, welcome back to another episode of Look Who's Quarantined. Normally in this channel, we feature fun places to travel to, but since we cannot go outside, we have this box which lets us explore the world in our kitchen. Eat2Explore is a monthly subscription, so every month they give you a different country to try, and if you like this product, you can purchase it in the link in the description. So now we're going to open Eat2Explore Spain. Alright, Eat2Explore. Here's how to do it. Pick the recipe, shop for the ingredients, and start cooking. Inside, there's popular ingredients: olive oil, garlic, Burrian ham, shellfish, manchego cheese, and chorizo. Popular dishes: paella, gazpacho, patatas bravas, octopus a la gallega, and empanadas. Of these popular dishes, I've only had paella and empanadas. And on the back, there's a list of different regions in Spain and the food that's unique to the region. This is an activity sheet. So, yeah, it's like Spain trivia.
I want to do it.
Next, this is a garlic mincer. Because we're going to be using garlic. So, this is to mince garlic. Okay. Here's the shopping list for us to go out and buy fresh ingredients.
A sticker.
Stickers. Spanish sticker. Here's a pin with the flag of Spain. So when you do the monthly subscription, you can start collecting. Hold on. A passport. Okay. So this is for the monthly subscription. And for each country, you write the country, the month, the year that you did this, the dishes that you made, and then you rate the food 1 out of 10. And there's many pages for the many countries that you'll be getting.
I want that.
Okay, and here are the food mixes. So now I'm going to take out the recipes, there's 3 of them, and show you the food mixes along the way. And right now there's a whole bunch of food mix smell that's been around us. Okay, so the first of 3 recipes is arroz con pollo, which is chicken paella. And here's the instructions on the back. And then for arroz con pollo, they give us one mix here. It's called Papi Paella Mix.
Yep, this is the one that I've been smelling all along.
And they did say that Spain is known for garlic, which is why they gave us a garlic mincer in case you don't have one. So that's cool. This is the next recipe dish. Tapas, garlicky shrimp and toast with tomato. And in Spanish, it's called gambas al ajillo y pan con tomate. Okay, this is the picture. For this mix, there's 2 mixes actually. The first one is papriki herbe mix. And the second one is toto tomato mix. So I guess when we cook all this tonight, we're gonna have this for appetizer and then the chicken for the main course. And finally is tortilla española, which is Spanish omelet. It looks really good, and there's only 4 ingredients. It's a Spanish omelet. I've never had one before. And there's one mix for this one, the vibrant veggie mix. Now we're going to start cooking. And by the way, if you don't eat meat, there's vegetarian options for the dishes. These are all the ingredients that we'll be needing. When we're following the recipe instructions, there's different steps, and each step has a difficulty rating. So if it's out of 3. If it's 1 out of 3, then that means that's easy to do, so someone like my brother could do it. If it's 2 out of 3, then that's medium difficulty, so I would be doing that. And then if it's 3 out of 3, then it's the hardest thing to do, which is for adults. First, we're going to make the chicken paella. So, step 1 is a 2 difficulty rating.
That's you. Preheat oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Step 2. Onion, peel and dice. I'm gonna pour 1 cup of green peas.
I'm going to pour in the poppy paella mix. While the chicken is baking in the oven, we're going to get started on the next dish, which is the Spanish omelet.
Now I'm gonna whisk the eggs.
Like that. Good. Good. Now Brother is going to mince the garlic with the garlic mincer that they included in the box. Can I try? Alright, now we're going to add the vibrant veggie mix to the sauteed vegetables for the omelet. Lastly, we're making the garlic shrimp. I'm going to add the Toto tomato mix to the tomatoes. And here's our completed Spanish meal. So, for the main course, we have chicken paella. Here's shrimp tapas with bread and olive oil on top. It's garlic shrimp. And finally, Spanish omelet, which we kind of burned a bit on accident, but it's still going to be really good. Buen provecho! Okay, so we're going to review each of the 3 foods. First, the Spanish omelet is the one that I was most looking forward to, but I don't actually care for it that much. I mean, it wasn't bad, it's just I like the other dishes better. So I rate this a 6 out of 10.
The problem with that one is I think we made the potatoes too big and thick, so then it was kind of
hard. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe it was because we didn't do it properly because the potatoes could have been softer.
So I rate it a 5.
Next, the other appetizer. This I really liked. It was mainly the garlic part, the garlic shrimp. That's what I liked about it. And also the bread had a nice texture with the olive oil on top. So overall, I really liked this dish. Even the tomatoes were pretty good. Okay, Brother, how much do you rate this one?
I'll say a 7.
7 out of 10? Okay, I rate this an 8 out of 10. And finally, the main dish, which is chicken paella. This was by far the best of all of them. It was very, very good, especially the saffron rice. It's way better than regular rice. It's so much more flavorful. And then also the vegetables are a nice topping. And the chicken skin was yummy. The chicken was good. I rate this a 9 out of 10. It's the best dish here.
I rate it 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Okay. So overall, we really enjoyed the Eat2Explore Spanish food, and we can't wait to try another country's cuisine. You can click on the link in the description to subscribe to Eat2Explore, and every month you'll get a new box filled with a certain country's recipes, as well as seasonings for the dishes, activities, and tools. So we have a lot of leftovers for another meal. It was really good, so we highly recommend that you do the monthly subscription for Eat2Explore. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.